Okay, for this problem we're asked to find the domain of this function. That's the set of allowable inputs to the function. Well, you kind of answer such a question often by answering it backwards. Ask yourself what is not in the domain of this function. So, looking at the denominator, if x happened to equal 3, we might have a problem here, because then the denominator would, this makes the denominator 0. And as you recall, denominators are not allowed to equal 0. That's undefined. So if x equals 3, we have a 3 minus 3 downstairs, makes the denominator 0. The function's undefined when x equals 3. But any other value of x will be fine, because only x equaling 3 will make the denominator 0. Every other value of x is perfectly okay to subtract 3 from and divide into 4. So the range, the domain of this function consists of all real numbers except 3. You could say it's the real numbers minus 3. Throw away 3 from the real numbers, but they want us to write this in set builder notation, so it's the set of all x such that x does not equal to 3. That's the easiest way to write that. I think I'll also show you interval notation for this, because the interval notation is kind of peculiar. Where the domain is all numbers except 3. So it's everything to the left of 3, everything to the right of 3, everything except 3. So it's interesting that in interval notation, this ends up equaling the interval from negative infinity up to 3 union with the interval from 3 up to infinity. So we just happen to exclude that one value of 3. So anyway, this is our domain. The set of all x such that x does not equal to 3.